Hi student, today we are discussed the question related the formula which we are studying in previous lecture. The first question is what is the relative mass and actual mass? What is the relative mass and actual mass of one phosphorus atom? What is the relative mass and actual mass of one phosphorus atom? You know that the relative atomic mass are the mass of total number of proton and neutrons, and you are understand already that the mass of phosphorus, the relative mass of phosphorus is 31 AMU. Relative mass of phosphorus is 31 AMU. But actual mass of phosphorus is found by the calculating 31 with 1.67 into 10 power minus 34. Then we find the value 5.17 into 10 power minus 23 grams. This is the actual mass of phosphorus. Okay. Next question is what is molecular weight and actual weight of sulfur trioxide and water. So the molecular weight of sulfur trioxide is equal to weight of sulfur plus weight of oxygen into 3, because number of oxygen here 3, number of sulfur present here 1, that means 32 plus 16 into 3, the total mass is 80 AMU. But this is molecular weight of sulfur trioxide. But actual mass, for the finding actual mass, we multiply 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 gram in AMU mass. Then we find 133.6 into 10 power 24 gram of SO3. Molecular weight of H2O. Molecular weight of H2O. In H2O there are 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 and atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Here 2 hydrogen, then mass of hydrogen 2, and 1 oxygen, then mass of oxygen is 16. So 2 plus 16 equal to 18 AMU. The molecular weight of water, that is H2O, is equal to 18. But 18 AMU is molecular weight, not an actual molecular weight. For the finding actual molecular weight, we multiply 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 gram with given value. If we multiply 1.67 into 10 power minus 24 with 18, then we find 3 into 10 power minus 23 gram. This is the value of actual molecular weight of water, means H2O. Next question, and very important and interested question, is calculate number of moles, volume, number of molecules, number of moles, volume, number of molecules, number of atoms in 32 gram of sulfur dioxide. First, we find number of moles. For the calculating number of moles, we use the formula mole equal to given mass in gram upon molar mass. Here in question, given mass is 32 gram. Put the value 32 and molar mass of sulfur dioxide. Calculate by this method. Number of sulfur is 1. So the mass of sulfur 32. Whereas atomic mass of oxygen 16. Here present 2 oxygen, that means 16 into 2. That the value is 32 plus 32 is equal to 64. The molecular mass of molar mass of sulfur dioxide is 64. By putting this value in the formula of mole, we find 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Next question. What is the volume? What is the volume of 32 gram SO2? For the calculating volume, we use the formula number of mole is equal to volume in liter upon 22.4. Okay. In question, by the question, we are already calculated the number of mole of 32 gram SO2 is 1 by 2. So put the value 1 by 2 at the place of mole. Then we find volume of 32 gram SO2 is 11.2 liter. Are you understand? Next point, number of molecule. How to calculate number of molecule? For the calculating number of molecule, the formula is number of molecule equal to number of molecule upon Na. Na means Avogadro number. The value of Na is 6.022 into 10 power 23. By the putting the value of moles and value of Avogadro number, we find that number of molecule is equal to 3.011 into 10 power 23. Next point, number of atoms. How to calculate number of atoms? Number of atom calculated by the formula number of atoms equal to number of molecule into atomicity. The formula of calculating number of atoms is number of molecule into atomicity. Number of molecule already calculated 3.011 into 10 power 23. So put the value 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23 and atomicity of SO3. Number of sulfur, atomicity of SO2, number of sulfur atom is 1 and number of oxygen atom is 2, then atomicity of sulfur dioxide is 3. By the putting the value of atomicity of sulfur dioxide, we find that 9.3033 into 10 power 23 atoms of the sulfur dioxide present in 32 gram sample. Okay, take a screenshot of given content on the board and write in your notebook and also solve other question of NCERT given in NCERT book. Okay. Now we have discussed more question. The very interesting question is that which of the following have maximum number of atoms. Which of following have the maximum number of atoms? First is 1 gram of oxygen, second 1 gram of O2, 1 gram of O3 are all have the same number of atoms. First calculation for 1 gram of oxygen atom. The formula of mole is given mass in gram upon molar mass. In question, given mass is 1 gram and molecular mass of oxygen atom is 16. Therefore, the mole of 1 gram of oxygen is 1 by 16. Number of atoms of oxygen. The formula is mole into Na, means Avogadro number, into atomicity. Here the mole is 1 by 16. Put the value of mole and Avogadro number into atomicity. Number of atom present in oxygen is 1. So atomicity is 1. The value of number of oxygen atom is 1 by 16 Na. Now calculate second option. 1 gram of oxygen molecule. The mole of 1 gram oxygen molecule. The formula of mole, given mass upon molar mass. The given mass is 1 gram. The molecular mass of O2 is 32. Therefore, the mole of 1 gram O2 oxygen molecule is 1 by 32. For the calculation of number of atom present in 1 gram of oxygen molecule, put the value of mole 1 by 32 into Na into atomicity. The atomicity of O2 is 2. Therefore, the value is 1 by 16 Na. That is similar to the first option. In third option, the first option is given 1 gram of O3. Mole of O3, for calculating mole of O3, given mass of O3 upon molar mass of O3. Given mass of O3 is 1 and molar mass of O3 16 3s are 48, that is 48. And finally, mole of O3 is 1 by 48. For calculating number of atom present in O3 molecule, 1 gram O3 molecule, mole into Na into atomicity. The mole that present in 1 gram of O3 is 1 by 48 and into Na. The atomicity of O3 is 3. After the putting value, we find that 1 by 16 Na. That means the value of number of atoms in first option and second option and third option are similar. That means all have the same number of atoms. Clear that? Next question, and very interested question is that which of the following have maximum number of molecules? Which of the following have the maximum number of molecules? 15 liter H2O. Here H2O in the form of vapor. Vapor means gas at STP, standard temperature pressure. Second option is 15 liter H2O, that is liquid at STP. STP means standard temperature pressure. 15 gram H2O, that is solid H2O at STP. STP means standard temperature pressure, or all have the same number of molecules. Before the selection of option, firstly we calculate all given option. First option, 15 liter H2O as a vapor. number of molecule, the formula number of molecules is equal to mole into N. For the calculating mole, put the value given in the question. The value is given 15 liter. 15 liter. The formula for calculating any vapors or gas in liter is mole equal to given volume in liter upon 22.4. So, put the value at the place of mole, the given 15 liter upon 22.4 into N. The final calculation is 0.66 Nm. The formula of calculating mole equal to volume upon 22.4. Use only when water is gas or only for gas. Okay. But in case if water is liquid and volume given in liter, don't use the formula of mole volume upon 22.4 liter. For the calculation of number of molecule 15 liter H2O, you know that the density of water 1 gram per ml. 1 ml is equal to 1 gram and 1 liter equal to 1000 gram. That means 15 liter equal to 15,000 gram, because 1 liter equal to 1000 gram. So 15 liter equal to 15,000 gram. Now, number of molecule equal to mole into N. For the calculation of mole, given mass upon molar mass, put the value of given mass 15,000 gram. The molar mass of water is 18 into N. After the calculation, find 833.3 N. The concept of density of water used only when water in the form of liquid. Okay. Third point, the third value is 15 gram H2O as a solid. Simple formula. We use simple formula. Number of molecule is equal to mole into N. The mole is equal to given mass in gram upon molar mass. In question, 15 gram is given mass of H2O. Put the value 15 of given mass, and you know that the molar mass of H2O is 18, and then put the value of molar mass. Finally, after the calculation, we find that 0.83 Nm. Here, in option first, 0.66 Nm. Option second, 833 Nm. Option third, 0.83 Nm. According to calculation, you observe here, option second, the value of option second is maximum value, 833 Nm. That means option second is the right answer. Dear student, please calculate other questions given in NCERT exercise. and note in your notebook. Take a screenshot. Thank you very much.